guys, today we're doing a review of this Freeyum banana maple. This is soft baked cookies, gluten free. Here's a nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. I tried the apple bars that you had. They were actually really good. So if you look here, dairy, eggs, free of all these type of things. Yeah, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. All right, so these things are really tiny. You thought the bars were tiny? This is even smaller. So, all right, let's open this up. So that's what the cookie looks like. Wow, it has a lot of banana flavor. It's almost like a banana muffin or banana bread. Think of it like banana bread, but soft, nougaty. Now, if I had to choose between this and the apple bar that I had, I still choose the apple bar. It's bigger, but this is pretty good too. So yeah, I'd choose the apple bar over this, but this is pretty good. I haven't tried the blueberry one yet, but I will, so stay tuned for that. And then I'll do a full comparison, which one's actually better. So stay tuned, guys. The rest of our channel, we'll see you on the next one. But has a really strong banana flavor.